remembrance of cooking with Tracy. I found this out. I watched We Love's Life. Apparently, Cooking with Tracy has passed away. So we're going to do this rib challenge in honors of Cooking with Tracy. Now, a moment of silence as we pray and for the fallen soldiers. Hello, welcome. This is gonna be my second mukbang. I recently did a fried pork rib, and now I'm doing a fried beef rib. So we're gonna see how this turned out. I am doing this challenge. This is the rib challenge. Hold on, guys. Let me get this. Oh, we're having technical difficulties. Hold on. Oh, shit. Remembrance of cooking with Tracy. I found this out. I watched We Love's Life. Apparently, Cooking with Tracy has passed away. So we're going to do this rib challenge in honors of Cooking with Tracy. Now, a moment of silence as we pray and for the fallen soldiers. Let's get it in. It's hot. Sorry, y'all. Bear with me as I work to get some better equipment. Ooh, it's hot. But anywho, these are beef legs. And right here, I got some sauce I'm gonna dip it into. If I do a thumbnail. Okay. Anyway, I'm just showing my support to YouTube. For coming. Tracy. Amazing. I am still new to the YouTube family channel. My channel's starting to do very well. I have some new ideas and stuff like that. But a little bit more about me. I'm a former GM, restaurant manager. I've managed Burger King's, Domino's. I was assistant manager at Sonic and Wendy's as well. But I have a little story to tell y'all when I was a GM at Domino's. So back when I was a GM at Domino's, I hired this guy, and delivery drivers are not allowed to carry passengers around with them in the car or at work. I enforce the law all the time. You think, you know, you're at work, you know that, but some people don't understand that. So, this guy I hired, and I would notice he would park at the end of the building where I couldn't see inside his vehicle or anything like that. You know, I seen him leave the building and go to his car, but I couldn't see him enter his vehicle. I thought that was very, very, very odd and strange. So me and my assistant manager, we played detective. And he came in, like back door to see why he's parked down there. I thought, you know, maybe his tag expired or something like that, but that was something silly. So I walked down there, well, we drove past it, and there was a young lady inside the car. Leaned back in the passenger seat asleep. I was like, what? So I informed him. I told him, I said, look, she can't ride here. I'm gonna take her home, and blah, blah, blah. He still kept parking down there. So I'm like, she must be still in the car now. Well, at this point in time, my other delivery drivers, is saying that, oh, they seen him driving down the street, and she was leaning across his lap. I mean, she was doing some adult things while he was delivering. Now, I don't know about you, but I damn sure don't want nobody bringing me food to my house that's getting sexual acts performed and God knows what else is going on in the car. So, I fired him. One of the reasons was because I already told him 3 times. That's like a charm. I tell you once, maybe you didn't know, maybe you're just naive. Second time, yeah, no, now you're just not comprehending. Third time, now you're just being blatantly disrespectful. So after I fired him, about 3 days later, he comes up to the store with a gift bag. Now, this is not my first time firing somebody, so I know how it goes. But come through with the gift bag. It's like, here, this is for you. You use amazing supervisor, boss. You know, I want you to have this. I can't accept this. This is not going to get you your job back. Blah blah blah. He says, no. I want you to have it. Puts it on the counter and walks off. So when I walked off, I opened up. It was a bottle of cologne. I'm thinking it was a cheap bottle, but so I looked it up. No. It's a $40 bottle of cologne. Full. Shit. Looks like spraying. Shit. It smells good. Well, about a week later, he comes back. After first job back. Who's talking? I'm like, no, blah. You're fired. He said, well, that's what the cologne was for. It's like, I explained that to you before. So, he was like, let me get the bottle of cologne back. I'm like, it's not home. But I'm trying to bring it back to you. So at this point in time, he's coming up there every day. I'm kind of about usually get you my hair. Well, the bottle was about 25% gone. So I bought cologne the next day. He comes up there, of course, and picks it up. And he's kind of upset because he's like, oh, he used half of it, huh? I'm like, yeah. I don't know if you expect it, but they gave me, that's why I'm using it. So anyway, that was the first and last gift I accepted as a supervisor. I like the pork ribs better, I feel like. Beef ribs kind of, alright. I just want to say thank you to everybody that supports me in my YouTube channel. You know, if you are new to Chef Leftovers family, we're going to call ourselves the Leftover family. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're notified every time we upload a video. And what else? I'm gonna put it on my teeth, y'all. The sauce is really good. Sauce is homemade. Tomorrow, I will be uploading a video for how to make deep fried potato cakes with grilled chicken. And I use leftover grilled chicken, of course. I was thinking about doing what you call it? doing a video or doing a recipe for flaming hot chicken nuggets. I'm thinking about that, so y'all let me know if you think I should, or you think it's the perfect idea, or what. I'm done eating. But I don't know about y'all, but me, after I eat, I like to have a cigarette. Hold on one second. I'm not a big fan of these mukbangs. I like to sit there and watch them, but I just don't know what to talk about during them. I don't, you know, it's just, I don't have no interesting topic. Let me see.
I'm so glad I found